Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I really just said that. Welcome back! Okay, so we're at the park right now. Let's get into it. I hear animals, wind. I hear traffic. I hear trees. I hear the tall grass. It smells earthy, green. Feels slow, grounding, quite cinematic. Squirrel. Bird. What are we doing in this video? Well, to be honest, I want to take a minute to say thank you. Thank you to everyone that's right here watching. I really appreciate it. This is my second YouTube video. I was racking my brain about what to post. And then when I hit record, I just stopped. I lost my voice and started listening, and I figured, you know what, that's what we need. That's what we need. And I figured that that's what I'm going to post. I want you to take a moment. If you can't go outside, you can do this in your room, in your bed. Shit. I even used to take a moment and meditate whenever I needed some personal space and the nearest bathroom. Even if it was for 1 fucking minute, I'd go. Oh, excuse me. Excuse yourself. Only you can excuse yourself. I heard footsteps. Are we collectively gathering? Oh, I love that. It's hot. Anyway, you sexy demon. Or you beautiful, beautiful soul. Thank you for being here. My first YouTube video got over 100 views. I did post about it, and my purser answered when I made a post asking people to check out my YouTube. And that alone is a gigantic accomplishment. By no means do 100 people have to watch this one. But this video is not going anywhere. I want to take a second actually to say hello to everyone who's viewing a year, 2 years, 3 years from now, because wow. Because wow. Wow, 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 wow. And let's bring us right back into reality. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, but we are right there at all times. I'm gonna break through this fucking glass, okay? You are in nature right here with me. You are in the grass. There's leaves on the ground. There's love everywhere because there's romance in sound. I'm okay with being labeled a hippie. I'll wear it loud and proud. I'll wear it like a crown. I'll speak it with my mouth. I'll take your doubts, I'll burn them to the ground. A toothpick in movies is used to represent the message of like not caring. So I don't know why I did that, but it was very symbolic. But this is also what it means to stay in flow. You're like, what am I watching? This is a flow. I will post content where we have a narrative. By all means, I woke up yesterday. Well, today. What is time, really? I woke up from my sleep in the middle of the night, 3 a.m., with a message. And it's not the one that I'm sharing. Because I decided to go back to sleep and keep my peace and let the demons go to bed with me. Except they didn't wake up. I rose in my sleep. Because I'm so clear of what I want and I'm so stern in my mentality, you need to get there. The life you're living is a lie, and that itself is a spiritual crime. If you're here, you're going to watch me change my life. And I hope I encourage you to change yours by watching me change mine. And I can't force anything upon you. But I do ask that you witness what God can do. And it's not because religion, and it's not because money, and it's not because I gave up on anything, and it's not because of anybody else. That should be the case for everybody. It shouldn't be for anyone, anybody. You know, it shouldn't even be for you. The version you are needs to go. The version I am right now is still not solidified. We will also continue to grow. This is very real right now, but this is a timeless message. Timeless. Let's see. 2026. 2. Oh, that was a 3 with hello. 2. 4. 10. Woo! This is a timeless message of new beginnings, and it is indeed a wish come true for me to have this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for listening. This feels like a beautiful message, and I'm going to end it right here. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, follow along the journey. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Goodbye.